Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. School is back in session. I'm excited.
So excited.
Yes, and my friend Mara from Explore and More is here to help us do what?
We are here to learn a little bit about what makes a healthy snack. And as we get ready to go back to school and we're packing our kiddos' lunches, this is a fantastic opportunity to both expand your palate and do something together as a family.
Yes, tell us how you did this.
Absolutely. So inside of here we have some really awesome ingredients. And here's the base of what I consider a great snack mix. There are some Cheerios, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. We also have these really awesome granola chips in here. Can't resist. Plus some other fun stuff like some freeze-dried strawberries, cranberries, and M&Ms, just to add a little touch of sweetness.
I love that. And this adds to a great healthy lunch like this. I mean, we have some pinwheels, some fresh fruit, of course, some juice for the kids. I mean, if you're packing your kids' lunch, this is fabulous. And the good thing is you can make a big batch of this, set it aside for the week, right?
Absolutely. And it's sort of like meal prepping, but with your family, with your kids, and they can have a choice in what goes into your snack mix.
I love it. You want to know what else I love? Time with Explore and More.
Me too. I love working at Explore and More. The best part is that there's something for everybody there. There are 3 floors just full of fun exhibits, and they're accessible for everyone. One of our big goals is to make sure that everybody has a chance to play at Explore and More, whether that's on our playground with our awesome We-Go-Round that anybody with wheelchairs could use, or our moving water area, or the drive-through Delta Sonic car wash.
I love that. And there's stuff for all ages because I enjoy going too.
Absolutely, yes. We have some really wonderful adult events planned this year coming up for after dark hours where you get to have some fun at Explore More too.
I can't wait. Everybody, head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this really cool recipe and learn more about Explore and More.
See you there.
I think you need some more of those.
Oh, I do.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.